Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn how to do the conversion of a decimal number to a percentage. First, I'll take first question, which is 0.75. Now when you are given a decimal number and you have to convert to percentage, the first thing you have to always do is convert this decimal to a fraction, which you have already known. That is, you have to first write the number which is present, okay, proper number. Here it is 75, okay. Now you have to check how many digits are there from the right. Like after leaving how many digit, the decimal point is there from the right. So here 1, 2, okay. That means in the denominator there will be 2 zeros. So it will be basically 75 upon 100. Okay, so this will be the fraction form of this decimal number. Now you have a fraction and you have to convert it into a percentage. So what you will do, as I said, you have to always multiply by 100 to get a percentage. So now here it is easy, you can directly cancel. Both the numbers are divisible by 100, so it will be 1 and 1. So the answer over here will be 75 and put the percentage. So your answer will be 75%. Is this easy? Yes, it is easier. Okay, now let me try the others. 2.1. You have to convert this to a percent. So first you have to convert this into a fraction. 2 and 1. So first write that number in the numerator. Now check from the right hand side. From right hand side you have to leave one digit. That means you have to put 1 0. That means I will be putting 10 over here. And I have to convert it into a fraction, so multiply by 100. Now again easy, see 0 zeros cancel. Now what are left? 2 1, that is 21 in the numerator and denominator is 1 and over here is 10. So basically 21 into 10. 21 into 10 gives you 210%. Now I'll take one more sum. Okay, you can try with me if you want, so that we can cross check the answer. Okay, 0.02. Okay, so first is to convert them into a fraction. Here you can see a proper number which is 2. So 2 I'll write. Now check how many digits are there after the point to the right. 1, 2, that means 2 zeros. That means I am going to put 100 in the denominator. I got the fraction. Now convert it into percentage by multiplying it by 100. 100, 100 both the places. So directly cancel it. What is left? Only 2. So 2% will be your answer. Here I got the answer and this is how you do the conversion from a decimal to a percentage. I hope you have understood this. If yes, then please do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Tata, bye-bye.